Alright, welcome to WNC Pressure Washing, and we're going to soft wash this roof today. We're going to get rid of all these black streaks with our soft wash process. And today we're in Black Mountain, North Carolina. We travel anywhere from Bryson City all the way to Black Mountain, and in most cases sometimes further. You can give us a call, 828-331-8118, that we can take care of your roof like we're getting ready about to do to this one. Okay, we're back. So as you can see, we got the whole roof clean. It's back to its original color. We got all those dark black mildew streaks off of the roof. If you want to make your roof look like this, call the Premier Pressure Washing Company in Western North Carolina, WNC Pressure Washing, 828-331-8118, or visit our website at wncpressurewashing.com.